Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to see your watch history on TikTok. So the first thing that you're going to do is make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. So go to Google Play Store, and if an update shows up, you just need to tap on update. And once you've done updating your app, so you just need to open your TikTok application so you can see. And let's try to watch some videos here. So for example, we want to watch 3 to 4 videos, and once we've done here, let's find out where we can find the watch history. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then tap on the 3 lines at the top right corner, and then from here tap on the settings and privacy. Now right here, you just need to scroll down and tap on this activity center. Now here on the next page, as you can see, you just need to tap on this watch history. So here you will find all the videos that you watch on this TikTok app. So that's it. That's how you basically see your watch history on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.